So hi guys, with me here is Professor Mandi. Okay, and we are having Poha. But right now we'll discuss a very crucial topic on the foundation of which the whole academics is built. So let's deep dive into Bloom's taxonomy.
This is a Bloom's taxonomy.
Okay.
It looks like a tower, and the lowest level and highest level, there are 7-8 levels.
Okay.
In the lowest level, if you look at this, is reading, writing, memorizing, that, which is kindergarten students does it. Even UG, PG students also do the same thing. Read, write, and memorize, and speak it and forget it. This is the kind of thing. This is the lowest level. Learning. This is basically called creation. Because by using what you have read, remembered, this based upon that you should create something. For example, how to make poha. You only read your this thing, but you have not created poha. Okay, you read about it, you not made it. So there are multiple levels it goes up. For example, second level is understanding, third level is application, fourth level is creation.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And creation is better than first level.
Yeah.
Understanding is better than previous level. And the ultimate is creation.
Creation. Creation is basically product.
Okay.
You create value out of it, you create money out of it. The same thing can be presented like this.
Okay.
So in this corner, you got a reading, writing, and memorizing.
Okay.
One way is that you go to understand. Conventional education is basically from reading, writing, memorization to understand.
Okay.
पढ़ना, लिखना, याद करना, ये चीज़ ये समझना. But समझना usually whole education is समझना बोलता है. But करता नहीं है. This is करना. So actually पढ़ के, लिख के, समझ के
क्या
ये भी करना है.
ठीक है.
So दो चीज़ है. पढ़ना, लिखना एक चीज़ है, समझना एक चीज़ है, करना भी दूसरा चीज़ है.
ठीक है.
Actually, when you do this and this, actually it becomes like this.
Okay. Read, write, and memorize. Understand the whole thing. Then apply it, and ultimately you'll create something.
Actually, it
Okay.
used like this.
Okay. ठीक है. Both the graphs are increasing,
Yeah.
and as a result, we have a function.
Actually, it goes like this.
Okay. Wow, pretty.
It goes like this. It goes like this. So it मतलब है कि when you want to create, you require this, this, and this.
Okay, got it.
Understand? समझ ले, आजमाओ, और आमदनी कमाओ.
बेचो.
Yeah.
बेचो.
बेचो, सीखो, आमदनी निकालो. That is the so बेचो is basically application after समझ के, after पढ़ के, याद करके. यादों से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, समझ से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, करने से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. निकालो, तेल निकालो, पैसे निकालो. So this is the ultimate thing the Bloom has mentioned about.
Okay.
This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4.
4 levels.
But people only looked at 1, people only looked at 2. They don't look at 3. They
And
don't
if you
look
don't
at
look
4
at
at
3, 4 will never come. Got it. So let's summarize it, sir.
all.
We understood your Bloom's taxonomy. Guys, now we know Bloom's taxonomy coming from Professor Mandi. There is a flaw that we are focusing right now on read, write, memory, and understanding.
Maximum.
How do we do the next steps? Application and
This is
creation.
basically you do an enterprise. You put your information, understanding into application, implementation, so that the value is illuminated,
Okay.
income is generated.
ठीक है.
So the information implemented and income is generated. This is the whole idea. So this is guess का work है.
Yes.
Guess is basically want to move this to here,
हाँ.
to here, to here.
Okay. Guess realizes that read, write, memory is there.
Is not enough.
And understanding ये है market में, but it is not enough. So we are creating awareness कि apply it and create something. That is why Mandi with us. for the next episode
Yeah.
on cracking the student.
बेचो सीखो, जितना खोया उतना पाओ,
Hmm.
जितना खोया
Utna pao.
पाओ, जितना खोया उतना पाओ. एंड पढ़ाई की खर्चा पढ़ाई से निकालो,
Hmm.
पढ़ाई में निकालो, पढ़ाई से निकालो. This is learner making in learning, through learning, and for learning. Learner making earning through learning, for learning, and of learning. So by the learning, for the learning, and of the learning. Democracy of definition है ना? By the people, for the people, and
Of the people.
of the people. By the learning, for the learning, and of the learning is democracy in action actually. So if that is being done, Taylor becomes 1,000 crores to the planet.
Got it. Thank you so much, Riya.
A snake charmer becomes a zoologist. Amazing zoology. And agriculture becomes amazing farmhouses. सुतारी मेस्त्री रहता है ना, प्लम्बर, विल बिकम ए रियल एस्टेट मैन. वो स्ट्रीट साइड और ड्रम बेल के गाने बजाते ना, विल बिकम ए शाहरुख खान. दारू बजाते सोलह से डाटा डबल के पैसे दे देते. सो रेल चलाने वाला, घर बनाने वाला, कपड़ा सिलाने वाला, भवन बनाने वाला. All these people with this kind of a reading, writing, memorization to understanding to application to creation, they become big people. And their education will illuminate the individual's inner capacities. That is missing, and that's what GES is doing.
I hope you learned something new. Bloom's taxonomy and a new vision that we are working on at GES India. Stay tuned. We have lots of values to give. Actionable values. Yeah. Is there any last message?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.